Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you today?
The sun is shining brightly today.
The sun is shining brightly today.
I am feeling happy this morning.
I am feeling happy this morning.
What is the weather like today?
What is the weather like today?
I drink coffee every morning.
I drink coffee every morning.
He wakes up early every day.
He wakes up early every day.
He is brushing his teeth.
He is brushing his teeth.
I love to eat breakfast in the morning.
I love to eat breakfast in the morning.
Do you want some toast?
Do you want some toast?
I have a glass of water with my breakfast.
I have a glass of water with my breakfast.
Let's go for a walk outside.
Let's go for a walk outside.
The birds are singing in the trees.
The birds are singing in the trees.
I like to listen to music in the morning.
I like to listen to music in the morning.
She is getting ready for work.
She is getting ready for work.
I put on my shoes before leaving.
I put on my shoes before leaving.
My cat is sleeping on the couch.
My cat is sleeping on the couch.
I make my bed after I wake up.
I make my bed after I wake up.
It's time to go to school.
It's time to go to school.
The children are playing outside.
The children are playing outside.
I read the newspaper with my coffee.
I read the newspaper with my coffee.
He is wearing a blue shirt today.
He is wearing a blue shirt today.
I enjoy the quiet in the morning.
I enjoy the quiet in the morning.
I see flowers in the garden.
I see flowers in the garden.
It's a good day to go for a run.
It's a good day to go for a run.
I need to pack my bag for work.
I need to pack my bag for work.
I call my friend in the morning.
I call my friend in the morning.
She is having cereal for breakfast.
She is having cereal for breakfast.
I like to sit by the window and watch the sunrise.
I like to sit by the window and watch the sunrise.
He is making pancakes for breakfast.
He is making pancakes for breakfast.
I walk to work every morning.
I walk to work every morning.
She opens the window to get some fresh air.
She opens the window to get some fresh air.
I check my phone for messages.
I check my phone for messages.
Let's have a nice breakfast together.
Let's have a nice breakfast together.
He is reading a book in the morning.
He is reading a book in the morning.
The children are getting ready for school.
The children are getting ready for school.
I need to wash my face before I leave.
I need to wash my face before I leave.
I always have eggs for breakfast.
I always have eggs for breakfast.
It's a beautiful day to be outside.
It's a beautiful day to be outside.
I am looking forward to the weekend.
I am looking forward to the weekend.
The coffee smells good this morning.
The coffee smells good this morning.
I like to start my day with a smile.
I like to start my day with a smile.
It's time to feed the dog.
It's time to feed the dog.
I don't drink tea in the morning.
I don't drink tea in the morning.
She is wearing a jacket because it's cold outside.
She is wearing a jacket because it's cold outside.
I love to watch the clouds in the sky.
I love to watch the clouds in the sky.
He is making a sandwich for lunch.
He is making a sandwich for lunch.
I can't forget to bring my keys.
I can't forget to bring my keys.
I am getting dressed for work.
I am getting dressed for work.
I eat fruit every morning.
I eat fruit every morning.
We are going to the park after breakfast.
We are going to the park after breakfast.